Hello, welcome. This is WAEC question, Literature in English, year 2018. Question number 21 says, some pin eyes illustrate that. So we have to use this unseen prose to answer this question. So this phrase was coined out from this prose or unseen prose. So the phrase something illustrates that A. Oxymoron, B. Paradox, C. Verbal irony, D. Synonyms. The correct answer here is verbal irony. This is because a verbal irony is a statement that is used in ironically, that is verbal in nature. Of course, under types of irony, we have what we call we have verbal irony, we have dramatic irony. So we also have what we call situational irony. So the statement here is a typical example of what we refer to as verbal irony.